Okay, I'm gonna try and get these pelicans searching for food. Now, there's a memorial going on right by them, so I'm not gonna talk too much. You might hear music in the background. Like I said, get out there as far as I can, right by the edge of the water. Make sure I don't drop my phone. There it is, there it is. So when I was sitting, he's probably, looking right now. He'll dive down. Right there he goes, there he goes. Oh, close, close, close. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh, that's about as close as you're going to get. I just want to make sure I don't... See, that little guy, he'll stay around. Oh, wow. Oh, there he is. He's in his bill. See it? He'll flip it up now. Oh, God. Oh. I'm going to get out of here because there's a memorial and if somebody died and I don't want to sit out at the beach. I was hidden behind something, but they're starting to move over. It's disrespectful. Oh. See if I can get them down here. But the thing that shocks me, like, just from, common sense thinking, like, you could say, is it their eyes? But sometimes they'll see one, like, way far away that, unless they have, maybe they have some other kind of sonar system or something. I don't know. There he goes. There's one. And the other thing that puzzled me is the little birds scavenge by them, but if these things don't have no teeth and they gobble the fish up, I'm assuming with digestive juices to, there he goes, oh, that's close, oh my God, you guys are, oh my God, is that a close shot? Oh, look at his bill, look at it, it's like, explodes like a snake. Oh, there he goes. Oh, my God. Wow. I mean, we're literally like 5 yards. I don't want to scare him. Wow. I can't believe I just got that shot. All right, I'm going to get out of here, but I can't wait to see that myself. Holy smokes, there they go again. All right, shut this off.